Greetings, Earth. I, Cornelius the Great, from I brought along friends today, Teddy and Mr. Tin Man. Mr. Tin Man and Teddy are in search of certain things. Teddy here for one. He is looking for, what are you looking for, Teddy?
I'm looking for honey. I like honey.
And you, Mr. Tin Man, what are you looking for? Oh, I'm looking for oil. I need oil so I can move. So Teddy and Mr. Tin Man here today with me from the far distant galaxy of and we are in search of certain things. Earth, please comply. All leaders of Earth, please comply with our needs. We are in need of honey for Teddy, oil for Tin Man. They need oil and honey. What's that, Teddy? What else, Teddy? Oh, okay, Teddy. Oh, yeah. You sure of that? Okay. Teddy would like to say thank you to Earth for helping him with his need to get honey. Oh, hang on. Oh, Teddy's getting shy now. Mr. Tin Man, what's this one? Oh, thank you, Earth, for letting us know that you're out there and you'll help us get honey and oil. Yeah.
Thank you, Earth. Okay, Teddy.
Teddy, that's enough, Teddy. Don't be off too much. Okay. Anything else to say? Okay. And that's all for now. Thank you very much.
Bye. Bye.